G'day guys, just recently installed the Renegade 30 litre water tank. Great product. As most people, I know they do carry a lot of these 20 litre containers, but for me, it takes up a lot of room. For this, very compact, out of the way, there when you want it. A few great features about this thing: food grade, which means fill her up with drinkable water, you will have no issues. Australian standard tap fitting. This does come with it when you buy it. If you break it, lose it, you can always head down to your local store and you'll get something that'll fit that straight away. Another feature, UV impact resistant. Again, for your full drivers, if you were to touch it up, give it a bit of a smack, very durable. I don't see this thing breaking anytime soon. Universal, that's a great feature. Left, right, doesn't matter. Just where you want it, you can fit it. As you can see here, this is the bolts that come with it, M12 by 50mm. For my tray, which is custom, I had to go a little bit bigger, so I went down to my local store to get something bigger to fit it up. Seriously, great product. Head down to your local trade tools and check these out. You won't regret it.